Hi, Davi here, and today we have a new episode in the channel. And today we're going to do a gameplay of this game, Gunfrog. So, normal, easy. So, to start off from like my gaming journey, I want to be able to. Oh, wow. Start with simple games only because I don't have the right or the best specific. Oh, is that a gun in his mouth? So interesting. Wait, what? What the fuck? What did it say? Why did you eat my gun? Oh shit! Can't I respond? King Toad ate another frog. Spaceport to. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, if I hit the lily pad, It's gonna help me jump even more. Where do I get bullets? Because I can see like 7 shots here. Oh, I can't like jump when I'm in the water. That's so dumb. What if I hold shift? What happens? Nothing happens. You know what? Maybe I'll go to land first. How about that? Oh, I do see some flies. I think I saw a fly somewhere. Because right now I have 0 flies. So maybe the goal here is to kill some flies with a gun. It's in his mouth. And it's a shotgun too. Oh, you know what? Maybe the lily pads will help us take better aim. Thankfully, they're not attacking because they're just flies. Oh my god, I wasted a shot. Oh my, this is so hard. But it's kind of fun. Fuck. Okay. Oh my, damn. You have to know how to aim with your mouse. I guess I'm just used to using. Well, it's been so long since I played like a game, but oh my god, it was on my PSP too. So I mean, I guess I'm more familiar with like a controller, not so much like a PC or a keyboard and a mouse. But I think the last major game I played with a mouse and keyboard was like Plants vs Zombies. I know it's so basic. Do you want to buy some ammo? Yes, please. It's a pleasure doing business with you. I'm guessing. Oh, 2 flies, 4 ammo. Oh, okay. So I need 2 more flies. And you can't waste your shots. Okay. We'll stay on ground first because I think there's so many flies here. So let me go back to land. You know what? Let's go for the lily. Because I can be. Jesus. And yet, seeing it from underwater is kind of hard too. So maybe that's why we have to. Like, we're encouraged to jump. Oh my god. Fuck you. Oh my. Dude, I'm wasting ammo. Okay, not too bad. Okay, I think I'm getting it. You want to make them. Don't try to force the cursor or the point thing. Oh my god. You want to make them come to that point in the center? Now I'm sure if you're like a gamer, a seasoned gamer, this means nothing to you, but to someone like me, it's like, wait, how did I get more ammo? Right? It went to 10 and now it then it went up to 12. Wait, what did it say? Defeating King Toad, 4 shrines will open this portal. Okay. King Toad's castle. Oh, a portal will open there. Where's that guy who does business? Who exchanges flies for bullets? Is this the guy? I don't think so. This button is hard to push. Oh my god, it's so hard to control this fucking frog. Did I miss the button? Oh, it does nothing. That's so dumb. You can only swim in water and you can't jump. Did you know you can right click to aim? What? You can right click to aim? Oh shit! You can't. It kind of zooms in just a tad bit. Fuck. Right? This is normal our normal view, and then it zooms in. Pretty cool. Wait, what are they saying? If you get herb or hurt, I'll heal you for 6 flies. Well, I'm not hurt. Like, how do you remember which island is which? Oh, it has to land on you. That is so fucking cool. So in a way, you have to be like under the fly. See that? Wait. Am I right or wrong? Or am I just making things up? Like it kind of slows down your view a bit. Oh my, dude, we're even better now. Oh my fuck, dude. I am the goat. Did I miss? Oh, fuck you. Lily. I'm not sure how. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I'm not even sure how I'm getting these bullets. Oh, wait, maybe I'm guessing it's automatic. Pretty cool. This is so fun. I can see now why games can be addicting, but it's a great way to de-stress. Oh, I missed the lily pad. That's so dumb. Jump. I think in the description or in the the page for this game, I saw like a different set of environments. Oh, you know what? What's the goal here? We have so many flies. I think we were supposed to find like the king toad guy, and maybe the portal will help us disappear. Oh my god, I missed. So dumb. So we need to find the king toad and the four shrines. Was that part of it? Do you want more, to buy some ammo? Oh, that's dumb. Max ammo of 16. What if I shoot this guy? I'm wasting bullets. That's the portal. Have you been to this house? It's like a cross, not a cross. This button is hard to push. Oh. Oh, you have to shoot it from above. Lock in. We saw. Oh, we'll go back here. What? That that one is yellow. So we shot it maybe. That did absolutely fuck shit. How can we escape this fucking... No, I'm done. We need to escape this fucking world because on the outside it's just open sea or pond. What does this say? The boat conductor or the boat doctor? Oh my god, the boat conductor. I'm so fucking dumb. If you get hurt, I'll heal you for 6 flies. I don't see any like health bar though. Did you know you can right click to aim? We've seen this guy already. Oh, let's go to the... Yeah, it's faster to move with the lilies. Oh my god. Like the way he moves. This freaking frog guy. Maybe you have to go further out. Did I miss? Oh, sorry. I was trying to shoot that freaking toad. My bad. Oh, when it jumps on ground, it's so like weak. King Toad ate another frog. Why did you eat my Oh, we started here. What the fuck? My bad for eating your gun. King Toad ate another frog. You know what? Let's go further out. In the opposite end. Okay. I don't think there's anything more to see. You know what? Who knows? Oh, I don't think there's anything left. Yeah, I feel like I have to do something with the freaking, those like um not spherical, but those the ones with the buttons at the top. If is this one of them? Oh my! I need to jump. Oh my! Lock in, lock in. Oh, the reason why maybe the others didn't work is because they're like fakes. Yeah, I think that's the way. And then once we have all of those buttons turned on, the portal is gonna open. Weak. We need a different vantage point. How about this guy? Let's go here, and then we'll jump to the island. Oh, I need more flies. Oh my god. We need to go back to that guy. Oh my fucking lord. Do you want some ammo? Yes. Okay. Can we make use of this boat? Oh no, we can't. I'm not sure why the other one isn't working. Huh, interesting. It kind of froze there, or I couldn't move for some reason. Like this guy is so I'm not sure what the issue is. Maybe we need to. What the fuck? Maybe we need. Oh my! Oh my god! The mouse is so. I'm having issues with the mouse. Why do I keep miss? Oh, dude, I'm gonna cry. Why can't? Do you see that? Like it doesn't do. You know what? Maybe I need to just. You know what? I'll kill more flies. Genocide the fucking place. A freaking sniper. Maybe by killing more flies, we can unlock something. Oh, oh, even at that range. Oh, there was a fucking thing. Maybe that's gonna be the secret. You have to kill enough flies, maybe? No, it doesn't do shit. I'm kind of going a bit mad, but whatever. Oops. Oh, did I? So all the flies are here for some reason. Jump. Oh, I saw like a flower. What the fuck was that? I don't think I've been in this island before. What if I jump here? Oh. I killed the bird. Am I a bad guy? Okay, something opened. Was that the fourth one? So the one that we tried shooting earlier was kind of like a fake. I don't think we get any points for shooting birds. Come on. Press all three of these buttons to summon a shrine. Press all three of these buttons to summon a shrine. Oh, I think the birds can hurt you. Press. Fuck it. Oh my god. Pressing all three of these buttons summon the shrine. So we'll try to find more of those buttons, I guess. What? This button is hard to push. Oh my god. That bird is gonna fucking kill me. I'm running out of bullets. I need to find the fucking guy. Oh shit, that's the bird we have to focus on. But I can't do shit without the fucking... Oh my god. Fuck, I'm out of bullets. I need to find a lily. Lily, this can help me. Oh my fucking lord. Oh my god. Shit, where's the business guy? Lock in. Oh my fucking stupid bitch. E. Oh, I died. No fucking way. Do I have to do that all over again? Fuck you. Oh, well, at least we get to keep some flies. We have to see if it does something. Let's go here. To the one with the fountain thing. So don't waste your ammo on the fucking birds that don't have a health bar. Come on. What the fuck? Did that do anything? Damn, no lily pads here. You have to find your way forward. It's so risky too because if you don't have lily pad, oh my fuck, lily pads, it's hard to escape whenever the birds come. Oh my fuck. I have to swim back. Oh, this is so dumb. I have 4 bullets. I have to kill more flies. Or It's a toad. This Ammo Lily Temple is beautiful. Ammo Lily Temple? See that? When I move with my... I get... Whenever you get stuck in like certain corners, you can't move. Let's go back. This is so dumb. Maybe I have to swim here. Yeah, I need some ammo. I need to find the guy. I mean, I could kill some flies, but it's not always a guarantee that you're gonna get some bullets. So we have to keep moving forward. Oh, we do have to restart the whole thing. E. E. Okay. We'll go here. I know two of these are... What the fuck? So... Maybe they all work, but they have to have... Or it has to be done in like a sequence. And you always want to make sure you have more bullets. Just because when the birds come... Although I don't think they're showing up in a while. Like once you have a couple of those buttons turned on, then they come in. Who's this guy again? Did you know you can right click to aim? Yes. Yeah, I couldn't find this guy when the bird came. Go, go! What? Is this the same? Oh, dude. It all looks the same. Not this guy. This is the... Oh my god, dude. I think the flies are there not only to help you trade like points, or you can trade them for bullets, but it's a way to de-stress because this button is hard to push. Right? So I remember doing that, but now we have to find the other buttons. Pressing all three buttons, wait, of the shrine. Is this button turned on? See? It's those fucking birds. Let's see if it attacks me. It doesn't do anything. So they're like bait. Right? To make you want to shoot. And waste your bullets. Like this is the riskiest part because you don't have any lily pads nearby. So you're swimming very slowly, which gives these birds... See? They're not doing shit. It's the one with the health bar you have to be wary about. I think there's a button. Is there a button here? This Ammo Lily Temple is beautiful. Oh, but I guess they can hit you. No fucking way. I was deceived by myself. Oh, I'm bleeding. I need to find a medic. Where's the medic? I think it's somewhere. Come on. Is that the guy? Oh, he ain't here. I don't need ammo. Oh, fuck me. Oh, it's that fucking bird. I need a lily pad. Oh my fucking lord. It's a simple game, but it is challenging. How did you eat my gun? I don't know. Can I go inside here? It's the birds we have to be wary of. I was killed by the same bird. The one with the health bar. I think the more we try this game or play this game, we're gonna get like, we're gonna see the patterns. So which island should I go to first? Also, I saw an island with like a swan or bird. This button is hard to push. Okay, I'm gonna jump. So that's our original island. Then we go here. Okay. What is it again? Pressing all three buttons. All three of these buttons summon a shrine. All three of these buttons. So in this island, there's only one. Wait. We already saw this guy, right? Okay. Further east? Wait, I need some flies. One shotgun left. Shell left. Oh, fuck. We're in the original island. Dude, this will drive me insane. We need to leave this fucking place. You must open the freaking portal. Oh, sometimes is it possible to like control the landing and stuff? Did you know you can right click to aim? Any buttons here to click? No. Oh my god. It's the medic. Yeah, I'm not injured right now. The issue is once the bird comes, you panic a bit, so you kind of forget where this guy is at. So it's kind of in the edges of society, right? Oh, I see it. I see something. It's the buttons. Let me just properly aim. Yeah. Oh, wait. We already have these ones. Oh, now I have 0 bullets. Now I have no choice but to find the guy, the business bro. E, E, E. Fuck. Okay, where are we supposed to go? Oh, it's hidden in the back, you fucking bitch. I saw it. Right there. Let me aim properly. Let's go here. Right click, hold. Oh, so that's when the moment that bird comes up. I'm guessing that's like a sign that the birds are coming. Oh my fucking god. Fucking bitch. Oh fuck you. Oh my. Jesus fucking Christ. Remember, we have to remember. Oh my. I can't even speak. I'm too. Okay, so what's the goal now? What's the kill? Oh, kill 3 birds. Yeah, no, I think I've killed more than 3 birds, but I'm guessing they need the one with the health bar. Oh, there you are, you fucking bitch. I need to stay in the lily pad. Oh fuck. I need this guy. Fuck. Lily pad, come on. Fuck, let me jump, let me fucking jump. The priority now? Oh my fucking god, I missed the fucking lily. Oh my fucking dude. Dude, it's the fucking. It's an enjoyable game. How do you defeat the fucking bird? Okay, I think the strategy we're gonna try. You know what? Let's kill some flies. Is so we got one button there. Because I think we figured out the button thing. The thing we haven't figured out is the swan or not the fucking. Wait, where's the ammo guy? Because I think with the ammo guy, I don't think it's this guy, but because behind this house there was like a button. Oh, that's our original spot. Fuck me. Again, we we can figure this out. Like we have to learn also how to like land on the lily pad accurately. Because if we're stuck in water, that's where we're so freaking vulnerable. Okay, I think this is the guy. Oh, I thought I kind of got it. I'll try this again. Okay, the music picked up. I heard some stone. Oh, now the swans are back. Okay, do you see how easy it is now? I think you do get like a checkpoint, and the checkpoint is like you don't have to click the other buttons anymore. For these ones, we just have to. Oh my. For these ones, we have to avoid. Dude, where's the guy with the. Because we need bullets. We won't fire on these swans specifically. Oh, there you go. Here's the thing. When you're in water, you can't even fucking jump. So you're so fucking... How do you like aim on a fucking lily pad? Fuck you slow mother... Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm waiting for it to come out. Like the bird. Basically, you have to be... You have to survive this phase. Or you know what? Maybe it won't come unless I kill these freaking birds. Oh my... Dude. You know, when you panic, you kind of make mistakes. I know, I will linger around the guy with a gun. Or who trades... There you go. See that? I want to be around this area. And I kind of like it because... Do you notice how there's so many lily pads? We have to be close to this guy. Oh, and that's why we need like to kill a lot of flies in the beginning, so we have like a reservoir of. Oh my god! I need a fucking lily. Oh my god! Where's the medic? Oh, what a weak ass fucking. I think that's the guy. Oh, medic. Come on. Lock in. Oh. Oh my god, I need the bullets. Dude. Lily, jump, bitch. Jump, you fucking bitch. Oh my fucking lord. Okay, calm down. We need the bullets. Oh my, you fucking little shitbag. Oh my, dude. Oh. A boat appeared. I defeated the heron. Oh, dude. We made it. A boat appeared. I think we saw a boat. We saw a guy who had a boat. It's not this guy. Like a... There was something written in the... Oh, is that the boat? Oh, my bad. I guess we leave via this boat. I didn't even get to read what he said, but... I guess we got dropped off here in the new land. Oh, you know what? There's a guy at the top. Oh, I see. The flies with like some flies carry bullets. Okay. Oh my! Why can't I jump at the top? Fuck me. I lost all my flies at the Cattle Clove Casino. Okay. Do you want to buy more ammo? Yeah. What you have max ammo already? Okay. You know what? I think we're gonna end the episode here. And we're gonna. Yeah, I enjoyed this game. What's the name of this game? Gun Frog. Oh shit! It's not a bullet. It's a dynamite. Fuck me. Okay. I'm gonna. How do I pause? Escape. Okay. So we're gonna hit save and quit. And yeah, I enjoyed the game. So check out Gun Frog. It's like $2 or 3. I don't know. And yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.